Hello and welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. I have a small art haul to share with you today. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. My name is Miranda, and on this channel we do a lot of watercolor and water-based media stuff, plus 2 art subscription boxes per month, and we have a good old time, so I'm glad you're joining me today. Let's get into the art haul. Alright, first of all, let's hope this is everything that I have and that I didn't leave anything out because I'm a little disorganized right now. Anyway, first thing I have here are these dot cards from Aquatone and her little paintings that she sent. Oh, look at that. Very nice. So pretty. I love these little paintings. I have a lot of them now. The dot card is, ooh, all the ultramarine violets. Nice. So we're definitely going to have to do some dot card paintings again, right? I've been dying to get back to that series. I've just been so busy with other projects. It's on my list to do. I don't know when. This was September's dot card and painting. Very cool. And these are the Schminke Super Granulation 2 dot card. So I probably have another one. I probably have the 1 dot card. So she probably did more than one of these, and it's probably in my mail somewhere. I don't know, lost. It's not lost. I have a really big stack of mail in my office that I really need to get to. Okay, so those will be fun. We'll do dot cards with those, dot card paintings with those. Let's do this one next. Okay, so this is just the Creative Haven Home Sweet Home coloring book, and these are really fun. I didn't buy this for me, but I really love the idea. If you are going to coloring a home scene is actually, I think, really fun. So I actually got this for my grandma. She actually uses all of her coloring books. I have stacks of them that I get to like maybe once or twice a year, and she uses them and like completes them. It's amazing and it's awesome. So got that for her. And something else I got for her is this. I wanted one of these so badly for myself, but I couldn't justify it. I chose not to justify it, but I probably should have. All right. Ta-da! I did tell you guys about these books in my gift ideas video. I'll link that for you in the corner. And it looks like we even get a little print with it this time. That's so cool. So we'll open this up so you guys can see what it looks like inside. Anyway, one thing about this I wanted to tell you is I ordered that, what, a week and a half before I put out that Christmas gift ideas video, and this was waiting for me before I got back from Thanksgiving break. So it got here in like 2 weeks max, maybe even less. So that's clear from France to the United States. Pretty impressive. So she's definitely on top of her shipping. And I chose to get the one that had the watercolor paper in it. I skipped a page there, but very cool designs. My grandma loves coloring these ladies, so I thought this would be great for her. And I thought she would do it in watercolor since I got her the watercolor ones, but she tends to do a lot of them in colored pencil, and that's fine too. So you can see here, this is one that I could actually work in because this one's mine. I have worked in. I haven't finished them. I'm not great at finishing them. That one, I bet you could consider this one finished, right? So anyway, if you want to see me color one of these, let me know in the comments below. Color being paint, because I like to paint them with watercolors. So yeah, that's what I got for her, and I think I'm going to keep this cute little print for myself. Very nice. I love that print. It's gorgeous. Next fun thing is this. Ooh. So this is so special because they don't make these anymore. This is the Derwent Aquatone. It's a solid stick of water-soluble color pigment, and it's ideal for creating broad strokes of color in large areas of color wash. It has 4 times more usable material than a conventional watercolor pencil with absolutely no wastage. Wastage is their word. So anyway, this looks fun. I don't know why they don't make these anymore, but they are a cross basically between like a watercolor pencil and those more like those gelato crayons that you can get, those marabou crayons. I featured those on my site before, and I actually pulled those back out of my giveaway bin and I put them back in my drawer because I have some fun things I want to do with them, and I thought they were really fun, and they kept nagging me being in my giveaway bin like that. So I'm like, no, I'm pulling them out, keeping them for myself. So I got my sketchbook ready. You guys saw that video, and I'm going to try these in my sketchbook too. So here's all the colors. I'm lucky I found this on eBay because like I said, they don't make them anymore, and it was still brand new, so that was good. It was probably twice what you would pay if you had been able to buy these when they were still out and released, but it's okay, I don't mind. All right, now the big stuff. I don't know what you guys will be able to see, but Michael's for Black Friday had a bunch of things on sale. I'm gonna turn these lights off. Anyway, let me zoom out up here. You can see the little Christmas tub I have this computer set up on to record you guys. Anyway, whatever, off subject. Michael's online. They're probably in store too, but I don't have a Michael's anywhere near me. So I was in the truck bored for 10 hours and I saw Michael's had a sale on frames, so I went and bought some. So this is cool because you could use the full 11 by 14 or frame something in 8 by 10, and I have a lot of watercolor paper that is 8 by 10. Very nice kind of white wood frame. I like it a lot. These I'll get out all at once. Oh, I think we need to get the scissors involved here. This is cool. You bought one of these frames and you got 2 free. So you get 3 frames for the price of 1. Now these were a little more expensive frames, but they are hefty. They are nice hefty frames. And the cool thing is that Arch's pad of paper that you can get is a 9 by 12 size, and I recommended that in my video as well. And this frames to a 9 by 12 size. And when I was first working with that pad of paper, I was having a really hard time finding frames for a 9 by 12. So I'd have to cut it down or like cut it apart and stretch it and make it bigger, and it was really getting frustrating. So when I saw these for a 9 by 12, I'm like, yes, please sign me up. And what I figured is if I don't want the white mat, I can just paint it myself, but the white's gonna look nice. So anyway, we have 3 of those, all the same, because you had to get all the same ones to get that deal. This one. I got this one because it was just like the white one, again, super affordable. And frames are expensive, you guys, and I think these were maybe $6, $6.89 for a frame with a mat and the whole works. I felt that was worth it. I have so much artwork that I want to frame that I was really excited to get these frames, and that's why I'm considering it as part of my art haul, because it's my artwork that I want to frame. Sorry, my chair keeps creaking. All right, there's more. Don't go away, there's more. I think this was a case where I needed a few more dollars to get free shipping or something. I don't even remember, but it seemed like that was the case. And so I thought this little floating frame would be kind of cool. I have no idea how it works, but I liked it. I have a lot of things in 8 by 8. Actually, one of my Arch's papers is 8 by 8, 7.9 by 7.9. It's probably perfect for this. So I'm not sure how floating frame works, but we're gonna find out. I also have 8 by 8 ampersand watercolor boards. Maybe that'll work for that. We're not done. All right, this is a 2-pack of something. Oh, wow. Okay, this is gorgeous. This is a really high quality frame. Holy cow, how much did I pay for that? That was $14.99 for a 2-pack. Guys, these are heavy, really heavy. And look at them, they're really nice. Wow, that was a steal. I should have bought more. Anyway, my bill was already at like $60, so I was like, no, I think I'll stop right before Christmas. But hopefully I can frame some stuff and give as gifts. That's kind of the idea for this. So this is a 14 by 18 frame and matted down to 11 by 14, which is great. A lot of the paper I use is 11 by 14, and it's actually a size I really like painting in because it's not too big, it's not too small, and I like it. Cool. Well, that is it for the art haul. But guys, remember, we still have this little puppy to do. And I am so excited for it because it's like such a unique little palette. That was my swatch sheet that I haven't done yet. I'm waiting for you guys. So yes, remember we have this to do. Hopefully I'll get to that soon. I'm trying to do some videos super fast because did you know that filming and editing a video takes like 8 hours altogether? Yeah, so this Vlogmas has been intense, and I have a whole house that has been neglected and a Christmas tree that's up and still undecorated. I did hang my stockings this morning. So how are you guys doing on the Christmas preparations? Do you prepare for Christmas in your area? What was your favorite thing in this art haul today? Thank you so much for joining me. See you tomorrow. Who doesn't love an art haul? Ah, it's stuck to my fingers. I did tell you guys about these books in my, I think this was my I did tell you guys about these books in my art haul. Not my art haul, was it my gift ideas? I did tell you guys about these books in my gift list. No. 7 times the charm, right? Some fun things I want to do them with that, because Michael's for black. I keep looking down because that's where I'm seeing things. See, I keep looking at myself. I kept looking at you guys. I need to look at you guys. Ah. That was probably way too close. I have so much artwork that I want to frame. That was awkward. All right. Oh, hair. So much hair. Keep looking at the screen.